fifth chapter, Inserting Numbers. The objective of this chapter is to unravel mathematical puzzles through reasoning, observation, and substitution. Also to trace out numerals following certain conditions. In this chapter, a question figure is given in which some numbers are filled and a place is left blank or given as a question mark. A student has to find out a number from the given possible answers, which may be filled in the blank space related to the numbers given in the figure with a certain rule. These questions are generally based on addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. In this example, find the number which replaces the question mark. We have options A, B, C, and D. In the first figure, we have 10 plus 9 plus 15, which equals 34. In the second figure, we have 11 plus 12 plus 8, which equals 31. Similarly, in the third figure, we have 7 plus 14 plus 21, which equals 42. Hence, the correct answer is option C. In this example, identify the number which replaces the question mark. Is it option A, B, C, or D? In the first figure, we have 2 multiplied by 2, 4. 4 multiplied by 3, 12. 12 multiplied by 4, 48. In the second figure, we have 4 multiplied by 2, 8. 8 multiplied by 6, 48. 48 multiplied by 8, 384. Similarly, in the third figure, we have 3 multiplied by 2, 6. 6 multiplied by 4, 24. 24 multiplied by 2, 48. Hence, option C is the answer. In this example, which number will replace the question mark? Is it option A, B, C, or D? In the first figure, we have 8 multiplied by 4, 32, minus 5 multiplied by 2, 10. Therefore, 32 minus 10 gives us 22. In the second figure, we have 7 multiplied by 8, 56, minus 3 multiplied by 4, 12. 56 minus 12 gives us 44. Similarly, in the third figure, we have 6 multiplied by 12, 72, minus 6 multiplied by 11, 66. Therefore, 72 minus 66 gives us 6. Hence, the correct answer is option A. In this example, find the number which replaces the question mark. Is it option A, B, C, or D? In the first figure, we have 3 multiplied by 5 plus 6 multiplied by 4, which is equal to 15 plus 24, which equals 39. In the second figure, we have 2 multiplied by 1 plus 7 multiplied by 4, which gives us 2 plus 28, which equals to 30. Similarly, in the third figure, we have 4 multiplied by 8 plus 9 multiplied by 2, which gives us 32 plus 18, which equals to 50. Hence, the correct option is B. In this example, only one of the given alternatives fits in the place of the question mark. We need to identify that. We have options A, B, C, and D. In the English alphabet, the 16th alphabet is P, the 19th alphabet is S, and the 22nd alphabet is V. So, OPQ, RST, and UVW form a series, and the next term in the series must be XYZ. Y is the 25th letter. Hence, the next term is X25Z. Therefore, the correct option is C. Hi students, welcome to the classroom exercise to understand this chapter better. In this question, find the missing number in place of the question mark. Is it option A, B, C or D? In the table, the sum at the end of first column is 1 plus 4 plus 2, which equals 7. The sum at the end of second column is 4 plus 2 plus 2, which equals 8. In the table, the sum at the end of the third column is question mark plus 5 plus 3, which equals 13. Therefore, question mark plus 8 equals 13. Taking 8 on the right hand side, we have 13 minus 8 equals 5. So the missing number is 5. Hence the correct answer is option C. In this question, find the missing number in place of the question mark. Is it option A, B, C or D? In the first figure, 11 plus 22 plus 33 plus 44 equals 110. In the second figure, 16 plus 24 plus 32 plus 40 equals 112. Similarly, in the third figure, 45 plus 23 plus 34 plus 12 equals 114. Hence, the correct answer is option A. In this question, find the missing number in place of the question mark. Is it option A, B, C or D? In the first image, we have 2 multiplied by 5 plus 1 multiplied by 3 equals 10 plus 3, which equals 13. In the third image, we have 4 multiplied by 3 plus 1 multiplied by 5, which equals 12. Plus 5, which equals 17. Similarly, in the second image, we have 4 multiplied by 6 plus 1 multiplied by 5 equals 24 plus 5, which equals 29. Hence, the correct answer is option D. In this question, find the number which replaces the question mark. Is it option A, B, C or D? Here, 7 multiplied by 3 plus 8 multiplied by 6 equals 21 plus 48, which equals 69. In the second image, 9 multiplied by 6 plus 7 multiplied by 5 equals 54 plus 35, which equals 89. Similarly, in the third image, 12 multiplied by 7 plus 6 multiplied by 5 equals 84 plus 30, which equals 114. Hence, the correct answer is option C. In this question, only one of the given alternatives fit in place of the question mark. We need to find it. Is it option A, B, C or D? The numbers in the given pattern repeat twice and each differ by 2. So the best alternative in the place of the question mark is 10 plus 2, which equals 12. Hence the correct answer is option C. In this question, only one of the given alternatives fit in place of the question mark. We need to find it. We have options A, B, C and D. From the figure, the pattern of alphabet starts from A and the number series decreases by 1. If we move from left to right, the figure shows A, B, C, D and we need to enter E. Similarly, the numbers decreases from 26, 25, 24, 23, giving us the next number 22. So the answer is E22. Hence the correct answer is option C. In this question, only one of the given alternatives fit in place of the question mark. We need to find which one. Is it option A, B, C or D? Here we have x minus 1 w, w minus 1 v, v minus 1 u and u minus 1 t. Again 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4 and 4 plus 1 5. Similarly, C plus 1 D, D plus 1 E, E plus 1 F and F plus 1 G. Thus the fifth box will have T, 5, G. Hence the correct answer is option C. In this question, if 100 cats can kill 100 mice in 100 days, then 4 cats would kill 4 mice in how many days? We have options A, B, C, D. Here, if 100 cats can kill 100 mice in 100 days, that is 1 cat kills 1 mice in 100 days. Then if 4 cats have to kill 4 mice, the time should not change. That is, a cat can kill a mice in 100 days. It will take the same number of days, that is 100 days. Hence the correct answer is option D.